Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make crispy fried quails or Kurkure Batair, a quick easy snack recipe. Here I have 4 quails or batairs without their skins that have been cleaned and gutted. Now I am going to cut open the quails and flatten them out so that they fry easily. Follow the process that I am showing here to cut open the quails. It's a messy job, but it needs to be done. Now it's cut open. I'm also going to put some shallow cuts on the breasts of the quails. Let's season the quails with some lime juice, salt, turmeric powder, chilli powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, and cumin powder. Put some plain flour as well. Now rub everything very nicely into the quails, ensuring that they are evenly covered with all the spices and the flour. Make sure you rub everything very nicely. You can see that the quails are now evenly coated with the spices. Heat some oil in a cooking pot. Now I will fry the quails 2 at a time in the pot. The oil is not very hot at this point. Make sure you put the quails breast down in the pot and fry them for 5 minutes on one side and then turn them over. They have nicely browned on one side. Maneuver the pot to fry all sides of the quails as I am doing here. Just follow the process that I am showing here. You can see that the quails have browned on all sides and are nice and crispy. Now it's time to take them out on a kitchen towel to drain the excess oil. That's all the quails fried. Arrange the quails nicely on a serving plate. Garnish with some sliced onion rings and chopped green chilies. Serve this delicious Kurkure Batair as a starter or a snack with a long cool drink. They can also be served as a side dish. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel The Omnivore Indian for more. Enjoy!